everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a super powerful concept that every smart saver needs to know. The rule of 72. It's a simple mental trick that can give you a quick estimate on how long it will take your money to double. And trust me, understanding this can really change your perspective on investing and saving. So what exactly is the rule of 72? In a nutshell, you take the number 72 and you divide it by your annual rate of return or your interest rate. The result is the approximate number of years it will take your initial investment to double. It's an estimation, but it's incredibly useful for quick calculations, especially when you're comparing different investment opportunities. Let's put this into action with some examples. We'll imagine that you start with a $10,000 investment. And we'll look at how it grows with different investment rates, thanks to the magic of compounding interest. Compounding, remember, is when your earnings start to earn their own earnings. It's literally money making money. First up, a modest 1% interest rate. If you apply the rule of 72, divided by 1 is 72. So it would take approximately 72 years for your $10,000 to double to $20,000. That's a long time. After 20 years, your $10,000 would have grown to only $12,200. Now let's bump that up to a 4% interest rate. Using the rule of 72, 72 divided by 4 equals 18. So now your money is doubling every 18 years. Much better, right? After 20 years, your $10,000 investment would be around $21,900. See how a seemingly small increase in interest can significantly cut down the doubling time? What if you could get an 8% interest rate? Divide 72 by 8, and now you get 9. Your money is now doubling every 9 years. In 20 years, that initial $10,000 investment has grown to approximately $46,600. It's nearly 5 times your original investment. And finally, let's look at a 12% interest rate. 72 divided by 12 gives you 6. Your money is now doubling every 6 years. After 20 years, that $10,000 has skyrocketed to about $96,500. That's almost 10 times your starting amount. And you can see now why even a few percentage points makes a massive difference over time. Now let's talk about the absolute power of starting early. This is where many people miss out. Imagine you have two individuals, both aiming for that 12% annual rate of return that we discussed. One person, let's call her Sarah, starts investing $10,000 at the age of 25. The other person, John, waits just 3 years and starts investing his $10,000 at the age of 28. By the time they both reach age 45, Sarah's initial $10,000, which she started at age 25, would have grown for 20 years to nearly $96,500. John's $10,000, which he started at age 28, would have grown for 17 years to approximately $70,000. That 3-year difference resulted in a gap of over $26,000. And this is with the same initial investment and the same interest rate. The only difference was time. Start saving now. This isn't just about large sums. It applies to any amount that you save. The biggest takeaway here is the importance of not waiting. Time is your most valuable asset when it comes to compounding interest. The longer your money has to grow and compound, the more significant the return will be, even with modest contributions. So, understand the rule of 72. Aim for good interest rates, and most importantly, start saving as soon as you possibly can. Your future self will definitely thank you for it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and let me know in the comments below what other financial concepts that you would like us to cover. See you next time.